we're looking at is how to evaluate API usage. How well did the agent call the API? Did it use the right parameters? Did it do the steps in the right order? All these things. And we're just take some MCP servers, create a code interface, and let the agent perform tasks and use those APIs and MCP servers. And to do that, there's a million different degrees and how much you can measure and how precise you want to be on those measurements. Most of the frameworks out there are very imprecise. The eval frameworks, they'll just say, given what the LLM says at the end, we'll just judge what it said and hope that it actually made all the right calls and in the right order with the right parameters. That's obviously not ideal and isn't really what we're trying to test. Initially, when we first started playing with this, we did something like a proxy, like what you're building, but very bare bones. That was actually just like a state control system that proxied all the upstream MCPs, where we could let the LLM start the eval from like a blank slate, and then we're storing state. There's something happening in all those MCP servers, and they're being modified upstream. And then when the eval ends, we can just say clear state, and it goes and runs deletes basically on all entities that were created upstream. And then it can restart from a blank slate on a new task. And we can actually look at state during the, or right at the end of the eval. We can say what's the current state of the upstream servers? Is it what we want? And then report back. And that's precise measurement of what happened upstream. What was the impact on the upstream services? So that took a while to build, and we were like, we can't build this and everything else we're trying to make for context engineering. So just an ongoing search for tool for the job right now on evals, because it's tricky.